Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can fix your Outlook Microsoft Outlook apps notification. How can you fix it? Okay, so sometimes we don't get all notification from Outlook, so we have to go Outlook, then we'll get manual. Okay, so if someone send you message, then you can check, you can understand that someone is sending you a message or mail. Okay, so how can you fix it? So go to Outlook, you can see here the home page, and this is the interface you can see. So we need to go this icon, okay, the left top corner you can see here, click on it, and we need to go the another way. You can see the left bottom corner here, you can see this called is settings. Go there, and here you can see finally got this. Okay, so notification you can see here, click on it, notification. Then you scrolling down, then you will see here the notification inbox only, focus inbox only. So here is a three option: focused online, only, favorite people, and none. So if you select none, then nothing will notify you. Okay, nothing will notify you. And if you choose favorite people, then if you mark some people, then only you will get notification from that people. Okay, and if you want to select all mail, then you will get all types of mail, whatever sent in your, whatever come in your Outlook. Okay, so you can change according to your desires, according to your demand. So friends, today's no more. Please subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.